When I said that the one-on-one summary is actually where the hard part begins, it can be difficult for leadership to receive feedback, which is really weird because sometimes it has nothing to do with the leadership. It's just people get uncomfortable knowing that things aren't going well. It's like asking, "How are you?" and being surprised when someone says, "I'm not okay." At least in the US, it is common for us to say, "How are you?" And you expect the person to be like, "I'm good, I'm fine." "How was your day?" is just another way to say hello. You're not actually asking a question. Where in this process, thank God, people are giving their actual honest answers. Sometimes when I've presented this to leadership, they did not want me to present it to anyone else. Even the team, who is the primary source of the feedback. Sometimes the team's feedback involves things that we actually can resolve with just the team, but oftentimes it's out of their control and we actually really need our senior leaders to be able to provide us the help with the next steps. And that's also why I am a proponent for talking to the leadership first before going back to the team, because I want to be able to go back to the team saying, "Hey, we have leadership's alignment on these things to go forward with, versus these are the things that I can tell you we're not going to be able to resolve right now." Going back to the categories of the low-hanging fruit versus the long-term, this is not going to happen anytime soon. While the meat of the one-on-ones is really to talk about the challenges and pain points, we don't want to forget the successes. For two reasons. One, we don't want to be the negative Nancy's just telling everybody what sucks and how everybody just needs to get better. It doesn't set a good tone in general, but it's also not the whole picture. The second reason is because oftentimes when we are going over this feedback, people are looking about all that they've done before and thinking, "Oh, was that not worth it? Was that just terrible? Did we not do a good job?" Thinking that we're telling them innately that they're doing something wrong. And the successes help everybody remember that just because we have areas that we want to improve doesn't mean that we're failing. So for all of this, we can't have one without the other. We honor our wins, but then we highlight the things that are preventing us from having more wins. And that tends to be language that everyone understands and can relate to.